Alright guys, welcome back for another video. Today is a welding video. We're cutting off the front end of my buddy's Mustang. He's got a custom tube front end he just ordered, and now we're going to weld it on for him today. So, what's the next step, Dylan?
Alright, so first off, we're going to level out the car. You want to level it off from the rockers so you can have something to base the front end off of. So that's what we're going to do now. Good?
Yep.
Still a touch high. Alright. So now that we got the car leveled out, we're gonna go ahead and measure off the firewall, 16 1/4, and then we'll cut, a little long and kind of start to sneak up on it because you don't want to take off too much material or it's gonna make it way hard. So let's get to it. Alright, so we got the old front end cut off. As you can see, we got a little bit of that Illinois rust, but it's going to be alright. So, the reason we're putting this one on, which is the new one, this is a Team Z piece. It's all TIG welded. It's going to take 40 pounds directly off the nose, and with the turbo kit, it just makes it way nicer because you don't have any of this bracing that you don't really need anymore. So,
More power, baby.
We need that weight, so now we're just going to clean up everything and get it tacked in. Now that we got everything cut out and seen what was there, we're going to start bending up some new pieces and get it all tacked in and square. And then once we get that fitting like factory, then we can start putting the front end on and get everything fitted. So let's do it. So now we got the first piece kind of rough cut out and bent. So now we're just kind of test fitting it a bunch of times because you don't want to take out too much material. So we're just kind of grinding it, cleaning it up. And once we get this, we'll tack it in. All right, so just there, this is a double plate. So we bent it up in there and cut it to fit this perfect. And then now we left a little bit of overhang to get a really nice bite when we weld. And then we'll throw some nice tacks down here so it's nice and sturdy, and then we'll just cut off this excess, same with the top.
Gonna weld this down. Hopefully it comes out good. It will come out good.
Perfect. Alright, now we got this whole thing boxed in. So pretty much the rust repair is finished other than this one little piece here left, which we'll do in the next video. But now it's time to see if this weld passes. So, that ain't going anywhere.
You hear my truck whistle in the background. That's it for today. We got a lot of work done in just a few hours we had. Get the rust knocked out like he said. Now he's just gotta fix this little part, or make the little part for there, and then we're gonna put the front tube on, weld the rest of it out, and we'll probably do that this week sometime, and then that'll be the end of this first video. So, yep, it's coming out cool. I'm excited for this build. This is Dylan's build, not mine. I'm just here, just the welding guy. I'm just here.
We'll keep tabs on it.
Yeah. All right. So the next clip will probably be us here again later this week.
Yep, part 2.
We're back for day 2. There's Tom Petty music playing in the background, so I have to do a voiceover so I don't get copyrighted. But we're about to trim up the front end and the chassis, get the perfect measurement that we need, and then start tacking on the tube front end. So we got the front, this dimension, 16 1/4-ish. We left a little bit so we could fine tune it, and now we're gonna start fitting up the front. I'm putting it on there. Looks good from sandwich.
Yeah, it looks good for my house. All right, now we're gonna level out the tubes and make sure the whole thing's square. We'll pop this sucker back off, clean up the areas that we have marked out, and get to tacking.
So we got front end all level, both ways, tacked
way.
up. I'm about to weld it out. Got a mount. It's all done, welded out. The welds are alright, not my best work, but it's my first time ever doing something like this. I'm welding the super small 16 gauge. It fluctuates different spots where it's doubled or where it's double layered or whatever. But yeah, it came out really good. Dylan, are you happy with it?
Dude, it looks so nice. It's strong, and that's what matters
We
most.
could pick this fucker up.
Yeah, we could pick it straight up off the jack stands and just by the front. So
Yeah, I'm gonna get some quick shots and then this will be the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe. You know what to do. If you liked it, I hope you enjoyed this video. There'll be more coming from this car.
oh yeah.
So yeah,
Subscribe to this man so we can keep going on this project.
come on.